Hello everyone and welcome to our new video where today we're going to be checking out the top 5 best inkjet printers in the market in 2018. I made this list based on my personal opinion and I tried to list them based on their price, quality, durability and more. If you want to find out the price and more information about these printers, you can check out the links down in the description and the comment section below. Okay, so let's get started with the video. At number 5 we have the HP OfficeJet 3380. The HP OfficeJet 3380 is a budget all-in-one wireless printer that prints exceptionally well on one side, while on the other it maintains a low operating cost, which is always demanded by the consumers. From a design perspective, this model features a glossy black case with an embedded LCD screen that is positioned at the front so you can easily access it and make various adjustments. In addition, it also has an input tray of 60 sheets and an output tray of 25 sheets, which is adequate for your personal usage. The connectivities include a single USB port located at the rear of the printer, but unfortunately, this printer only supports USB and Wi-Fi connection, so there isn't an option for connecting to an NFC. However, this is compensated with the device's ability to print through the HP's application that is compatible with Android and iOS. Now, let's talk about its features. The print speed for printing mono pages is rated at 8.5 pages per minute, while it is 6 pages per minute for color, which is fairly impressive for a product in this price range. I really like the fact that this printer doesn't require much money for maintenance purposes. According to the manufacturer, you would save a significant amount of money if you're using the original HP 65 ink cartridges for printing, so you wouldn't have to deal with misprints or reprints. The printing quality is really good for the price, because the text is readable, well defined, but a bit thicker. Moreover, the color graphics on plain paper are bright and accurate, so if you print some photos, you can notice this within seconds. As a scanner, the optical resolution is 12,000 by 12,000 dpi, which means that for home usage it will do its job perfectly fine. You can scan remotely and wirelessly as well, so if you wanted to scan wirelessly, you can download the application and do everything with a single click on your smartphone. Overall, the HP is a bargain for the set price, so you should take it into consideration, and if you ever decide to buy it, you will assure yourself of its potential. Next up, at number 4 we have the Epson Workforce ET4550. The Epson Workforce ET4550 is an office-centric printer that can satisfy both personal or shared usage in a micro office. From a design perspective, the ET4550 is composed of a matte black plastic that houses an upper tray, one front-facing output tray that can hold 150 sheets of paper, one scanning bed, and another tray that can hold up to 20 envelopes. The ET4550 offers USB, Internet, Wi-Fi Direct, and Wi-Fi connection choices, but you can also print and scan through the cloud by using the Epson connection service. In addition, you can connect the printer to an iOS and Android smartphone and Kindle Fire phone or tablet as well. Anyways, let's talk about the performance. This printer supports two-sided printing, which is always welcome due to the fact that you will reduce the cost for purchasing sheets of paper. This device is also 4-in-1, or better said, you can use it as a scanner, copier, fax, and printer, so thanks to its versatility, you can use it however you want. Another great thing about this printer is that it is powered by the Precision Core technology, which means that the device will print with incredible accuracy and it will put the distortion and misprints to the minimum. This printer comes with a great amount of ink, which translates into around 2 years of usage. Or to be more precise, it has enough ink to print up to 8,500 color pages or around 11,000 monochrome pages. Before we end, I want to mention that the print speed is around 13 pages per minute for monochrome sheets and 7.3 pages per minute for the color ones, with a resolution of 48,000 by 12,000 dpi as Epson states. To conclude, you should definitely take this printer into serious consideration if you're looking for a versatile printer that is cheap to maintain and has a lot of features. Moving on, at number 3 we have the HP Envy 7640. The HP Envy 7640 is an all-in-one printer that combines an affordable price with a premium performance. So let's find out what makes this printer one of the best options in the market. From a design perspective, the Envy 7640 features a low glossy black profile that is accompanied by an auto duplexer, a 25-sheet automatic document feeder, and a paper tray with a capacity of up to 125 sheets. The control panel is an 88mm touchscreen that is positioned at the front center, and it supports swipes and taps so you can always switch between menus within seconds. The NV offers various connection options, such as connecting it through a USB, an Ethernet port, and wirelessly to your compatible smartphone. Before we move to the next section, I'd like to inform you that this printer can also be operated by an NFC-enabled mobile device, so that's a great thing. The NV's printing speed for black is rated at 14 pages per minute, while for color it is 9 pages per minute, which is surprisingly good for such an affordable printer. The printing quality is incredibly good, and you can notice this with the text, which should be great for your personal usage. However, this printer is not that good at printing pages with very small font, so you should be aware of that before buying it. But you can test for more, since this printer justifies its price tag really well, and I guess that some downsides are acceptable. I also want to mention that the HP recommends using the original HP ink in order to get the best possible performance, so you wouldn't have to deal with a bad print quality. The scanning process is a bit slow if you use this model primarily as a scanner, because it has a scan resolution of 600 by 600 dpi, which I think that HP could have made it a bit higher. But either way, if you compare what you pay for what you get, you can't really consider it as a disadvantage. Overall, if you're looking for a budget all-in-one inkjet printer, then the HP Envy 7640 would be your ideal choice. Moving on, at number 2 we have the HP OfficeJet 4650. The HP OfficeJet 4650 is yet another affordable entry-level all-in-one printer that has plenty of features included that will surely increase your productivity like never before. From a design perspective, the 4650 comes in a fully black color and is composed of an automatic document feeder positioned at the top, an input paper tray with a capacity of 100 sheets, an output paper tray that can hold up to 25 sheets, and a 2.2-inch mono touchscreen placed at the center so you can have an easy access and use its controls. The OfficeJet supports Wi-Fi, Wi-Fi Direct, and USB as a connection option, but unfortunately, the printer doesn't offer Ethernet as a connection choice. Anyways, let's talk about its performance. The OfficeJet can deliver a two-sided printing, which means that it would cut the paper used for up to 50% while reducing the cost as much as possible. You can print paper starting from 3 by 5 inches up to 8.5 by 14 inches including letter, legal, and Note 10 envelopes. So, regardless of what you need to do with this printer, this device will always support you really well. The print quality is really good also, and I especially like the sharp text and the printed graphics, which have a vibrant color saturation and smooth textures. But keep in mind that if you want the best print results, you should always use the original HP 63 ink as the company states, so you will avoid the occurrences of misprints and errors. The print speed for black sheets is 9.5 pages per minute, while for color it is 6.8, which is fast, but I think that HP could have done a better job in that aspect. As a scanner, the 4650 can scan multiple documents on one page a lot faster than the other printers in this price range, so it will serve you perfectly fine. To conclude, if you're looking for a budget all-in-one printer that will equip you with a high level of versatility and productivity, then the OfficeJet 4650 would be your ideal choice. At number 1, we have the Canon MX922. As the cherry on the top, we have chosen the Canon PIXMA MX922, which is one of the best and most sold all-in-one printers on the market. So, let's get into action and find out why is this printer always a top choice for the customers. From a design perspective, the MX922 features a compact black design that makes it suitable for any office decor while barely occupying any space at all. This model is composed of a built-in disc tray which lets you print your own custom CDs and even Blu-rays, and slightly above the cassette there is the front panel that automatically drops as you start printing. In addition, there is also a photo paper tray for up to 20 sheets of 4x6 inch photo papers, a 35 sheet order document feeder, and a tray with a maximum capacity of up to 250 sheets. The connectivity options are wireless and wired. The wired are through the unit's Ethernet port, while on the other side you can connect it wirelessly through the unit's USB 2.0 port. Now, let's move to the next section and talk about its features. The Canon PIXMA uses a 5 individual ink system which is consisted of a pigment-based black ink and 4 other dye-based inks for delivering the best possible output. I really like that this product offers two-sided printing, which is always welcome for your budget since you will always spend less. According to the company, you can print a 4x6 inch borderless photo in 21 seconds, while on the other side, the printer is rated at 15 pages per minute for black and 10 pages per minute for color sheets. If you use it as a scanner, you will be very satisfied since the MX922 can automatically scan in duplex precisely without having to wait much for the final output. Overall, the Canon MX922 is a real bargain, because you don't have to pay much in order to get a quality product which shines with its versatility and quality, and that's why you should consider it as your next purchase. Thanks for watching guys, I hope you liked this video. If you want to find out the price and more information about these printers, you can check out the links down in the description and the comment section below. And if you have any questions related to them, you can leave a comment down below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Thank you again for watching and I'll see you in the next video.